to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the new 2026 Hyundai Palisade. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade continues to stand out in the competitive mid-size SUV market, blending power and comfort seamlessly. Under the hood, it houses a reliable 3.8-liter V6 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth and consistent performance. Front-wheel drive is standard, with all-wheel drive available for those who need a bit more traction and stability in various driving conditions. The Palisade's chassis shares core elements with the Kia Telluride, making it comfortable on long drives, although it's not specifically aimed at off-road enthusiasts. In terms of interior features, Hyundai has gone above and beyond to ensure passenger comfort. Tech-savvy buyers will appreciate the array of connectivity options and charging ports, designed to keep everyone entertained on the road. For those seeking a luxurious experience, optional quilted leather upholstery, second-row captain's chairs, and premium audio are available in higher trims. The parking distance warning feature is now standard on the XRT, as is the surround camera view. There's a new mid-range trim called SEL Premium that sits between the XRT and limited trims, replacing the add-on premium package. The SE trim seats 8 passengers, while nearly every other trim level includes second-row captain's chairs that reduce passenger capacity to 7. The SEL Premium gives you the option to choose between the bench seat or captain's chairs in the middle. Either way, there's plenty of space in all 3 rows for occupants. The second row features a button to move the seat forward for easy access to the third row. Power-folding second and third row seats are optional on the SEL and standard on the Limited, Calligraphy, and Calligraphy Night Edition. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade is powered by a 3.8-liter V6 engine that produces 291 horsepower. This engine, coupled with the 8-speed automatic transmission, provides smooth acceleration and consistent power for daily driving needs. For those who prefer a bit more control, the transmission can be manually shifted using the steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters. Although the gearbox generally operates seamlessly, it does shift more frequently when going up hills, but the transitions remain smooth. The price of the 2026 Hyundai Palisade starts at $38,215 and goes up to $55,515 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.